So the West Indian cricketers are settling in Bangladesh ahead of their 3 ODI 2-test match tour. And generally speaking, no matter how bad the West Indies team is, ahead of a new series, there is always this sense of anticipation and expectation, even a bit of false hope that yes, West Indies are going to turn the corner this time. But we not lie, we not feel the vibes for this Bangladesh tour. For one thing, it's a watered down squad with 12 first team players opting out of the tour. That alone turned with stomach. But of course, the latest thing is to hope that the youngsters grab their opportunity and surprise Bangladesh and blah, blah, blah. We understand that the strategy of the West Indies is to ambush the Bangladeshis with some of their own medicine in their own backyard. So we brought a battery of spinners. Yes. In Rakeem Cornwall, Jamel Warrican, and Versamy Pramal. Those are our lethal battery of spinners we're taking to war in Bangladesh. You think the West Indies have a chance of winning the Test series or the ODI series? All right. Make we lower the bar on this Bangladesh tour out of Cornwall, Warrican, or Pramal. Which one of them we get the most appeal for the series? Yes, which we get appeal for the series?